Hello friends. First of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and enjoying the best of your lives. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and mesmerizing collection of beautiful and eye-catchy color combination of floral embroidery patterns. The whole design idea, the whole video collection of embroidery is totally based on borderline embroidery, border embroidery designs, or even you can use them for hemline embroidery as well. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe and comment below the comment section that which design you like the most and why. And one more thing, guys, in the comment section, leave the name of the country in which you are living so that we could get to know from which different geographical region of the world our YouTube friends and family members are connected through our channel. Guys, to make these designs more beautiful and creative, you can make use of pressed stones as well. The idea and the ethnicity of these beautiful designs is very creative. You can make them for designing the borders of your sleeves, of your trousers, of your bottoms, of your shirts, of your kurti. Even you can design your blouse as well. The beauty is not only limited to this, you can also use these designs for a wide variety of homemade home decor items like pillow covers, cushion covers, bed sheets, quilt covers, and many more creative items as per your own choices. So with this, allow me to leave and you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. And guys, I have one more request that please share in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our upcoming videos, which type of designs you like the most, so that we could stay up to date to your choices and types of interest. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish ideas. And stay tuned on our channel for the latest and new upcoming videos.